Friends and family, what's up? I'm homesick. However, I'm super excited to film this video because I got some awesome news for you guys. In 20 years in real estate, this is by far the best opportunity that I see for renters or someone who doesn't own a home to build wealth. The state of California just announced that they're gonna give a loan of 20% down to all first-time home buyers. What does that mean? If there's $1 million home that you want to buy, the state of California will give you $200,000 as a loan. You don't have to pay back for 30 years. It's a great opportunity. I'm so excited. I think it's going to help a lot of people. However, the catch is there's only $300 million. They're only going to help the first approximately 3,000 families here in California. So we have to jump on it right away. We're doing an emergency workshop online on Zoom that you can join and learn all about it. Please join us. We'll talk soon. If you don't want to wait, pick up the phone, call me so we can talk about it because it's a huge opportunity I don't want you to miss. Please tell all your friends and family about it. We'll talk later. Peace.